My name is Leo, and I'll be presenting Neuroverse. So, what does Neuroverse do? Neuroverse is a platform that lets you build and deploy agents on chain, specifically on ICP, with just a click of a button. Then, this is our team. I'm Leo, the technical founder, and I'm partnered with Bethel, who is the operations manager, and also Winnie, who is the blockchain developer also. So, what are the kind of pain points that we are trying to solve with Neuroverse? So, one, we have centralized control of the AI models. So, the AI currently is controlled by a couple of organizations, and it's not easily accessible to others because it's hard to understand and to know what the people want to use it for. And it's not specialized in a way, so you will be not getting your tailored responses or your tailored operations. Secondly, we have a monetization for devs. So we realize that as devs create the tools that are open source, they're not given their money's worth when they are integrated with the other current AI models out there. So even if a developer creates a tool, they are not incentivized as much. And with that, we understand that time and energy should be properly rewarded, and they should actually be given a fair share when the AI use their tools. Thirdly, there are high costs in the current AI models. So when you use the AIs, there are hidden charges, but which cause the pricing chaos with most of the people. So when you see the reportings, you can see that the API costs for some of the models that are available that are centralized, it's quite something, and it forces users to use more money, or spend more time in optimizing their type of projects. So, and there's no decentralized AI ecosystem currently. There's no native way on Web3 for you to actually interact with AI on a different scale. For example, GPTs or interactive AI automations that are powered by AI agents. So currently there's no automation and scalability, and it's hard to build AI agents on Web3 because it needs technical expertise, and there's no real ownership. So because the AI currently, it is tailored to only some given companies. So what is the solution? So we have Neuroverse. So we are trying to create an opportunity for a decentralized platform to enable people and users and developers to build, scale, and monetize their AI agents and tools on chain. And all this is built on ICP. So what we are trying to do is three things: democratize AI creation and deployment, make it available for people, then ensure the developers get a fair share of the tools that the AI agents will be using, and thirdly and last of all, create an all-powered AI economy where anybody who deploys and they can create tokens and earn tokens from it, and also incentivize the developers to continue with a good job. So what's our value proposition? We've researched, and we've understood that we are the first of its kind to have a decentralized no-code platform to deploy agents in minutes. And the best of all, we are monetizing AI agents for people and the tools. So we are part of the pioneers, and we are proud to say that from Africa, we'll be the first to issue such a product into the market. So what are features? We will be ensuring that the AI agents that are deployed, they are owned by the people, and they can be easily transferred as NFTs. Additionally, we have an open marketplace where the developers can list their tools and they can put a price tag on it. So for every agent that uses that tool, they have to pay a given amount. Thirdly, we have showcased their free access and also predictable usage, so where we list the amount that are to be used for given tools or agents, so that the user can know what they're getting themselves into. And thirdly, we have a hub, a proper ecosystem and economy where users can deploy, they can compose, they can own their agents for privacy and for accountability purposes. And from that, we'll be creating a proper economy from it. So what's our market opportunity? Currently, we've seen that by 2027 and by 2023, we'll be having a market economy of AI agents to be at least $100 billion, and by 2023, it will be at least $1 trillion. So with this, we'll be having a huge growth because we have other Web2 services, but for us, will be a Web3. So will be a first of its kind built on ICP. And with the high margins of developer tools, with the recurring use, it will be easier for the developers because you just have to develop once and it will be reused. And also, there's a very high growth niche for Web3 and AI. So we are in a perfect place as we launch slowly. So what's our niche? Our niche is probably is mainly monetizing agents and giving giving composable intelligence on chain on ICP. So what's our business market model? So one, marketplace fees. So we'll be taking commissions. You can see from previous demos that we'll be taking a platform fee for every deployed agent. Secondly, will be usage. So when a person uh, subscribes to an agent, we'll be taking a couple of fees from there. So premium tools for businesses and agents, you can see with our demo, we'll be showing how the premium tools will be used and will be charged on it. Then partnerships. So when we'll be integrating with Web2 tools and other platforms and companies to come and host their agents here at a knowledge basis, we'll be we'll be creating a revenue share from every subscription so that for every person that will be using or subscribing, we can come up with a fair share so that the platform can gain their own share. And also there'll be transaction costs and network fees so that when transactions are done, maybe subscribing, transferring tokens from one account to another, that's where we'll be getting our money's worth. So currently we've deployed an agent builder already. There's a working demo. We have ICP integration, and all canisters are deployed. And also we have a certified NEURO token that is used in the transactions that are powered inside the Neuroverse platform. So what's our future plan? So currently we are here. We want to deploy. We have deployed the agent marketplace for ICP. Then also we are trying to get people to start deploying on Neuroverse to at least understand what's our vision, and also where to add a knowledge base for AI agents in the coming few weeks. Then on Q1 of 2026, we'll be expanding, where we'll be adding the Neuro token to ConSwap and at least have staking and incentivization and liquidity, so that for every decision that will be done for the platform, we can have the people who are there create proposals that can be staked using the Neuroverse, the Neuro token. Then now on Q2, we'll be now expanding to enterprise level where we'll be meeting businesses so that they can come and have their own AI support here. So take, for example, ICP Kenya or ICP South Africa or Nigeria can come and deploy their custom AI support here. And if anybody wants to reach out to ICP, they can come to our platform, chat with our bots and with the bots of ICP and get their issue solved. Also, reach out to more developers, get them into the platform, and they can start now creating tailored tools to be used. And also launch a governance DAO because of the token, so that we can at least everybody who deploys an agent or is a developer there can get a say on how the platform should be run for everybody to get their money's worth. So currently we are the leading in the current sectors in ownership of agents, monetization, on-chain and incentivization. And our go-to is we are an open and modular ownable AI agent economy. And we are not closed. We give everybody their money's worth. So why we are the go-to guys, we are the first movers in agent monetization on ideally on Web3. So we give real incentivization to developers. So we create a clear economy so that you can see everybody's earning. And also we want to give even the micro businesses a chance to protect and give their own their chance to deploy agents on chain, and that is reliable. So that's Neuroverse for you. You can check out the demo video to understand more. You can reach out to this website so that you can see everything that is running there. Thank you.